Keeping your analogs clean should not be a constant battle. However, conventional Hex 60 or long cell engravings can trap ink and coatings. This can lead to inconsistent print and, more concerning, costly downtime. So, what is the solution? With GTT technology, corrugated printers can experience easier and less frequent cleaning needs, reducing downtime and ensuring consistent print quality. Unlike conventional engravings, GTT's smooth, open structure allows the ink and particles to flow naturally through the channel, which reduces the possibility for ink blocking the engraving. Don't just take our word for it. Our customers report that they experience longer lasting performance and a reduced need for frequent cleaning with GTT. Feel free to reach out for our customer testimonials.